This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, GME is in a very, very strong position financially. And all the bad actors that are niggas shorting GME are fully aware of the fact that GME is sitting on so much cash, they don't have any debt, and that GME is going to start rising in price. You see a lot of people buying in. There was a big buy yesterday of over $1 million in $30 calls on a leap for 2027. There are lots of investors, not just retail investors, but institutions as well, that know that GME is going to improve in stock price very, very soon. And a lot of people want to capitalize on that. Anyway, here are the GME numbers. You know these numbers mean absolutely nothing because they do what they want when they want with no real consequences, because the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI plays willful blindness to the fraud and corruption whenever the victims of these frauds are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. They would not allow this type of trading activity in any stock that the 1%ers were long on. They would not let it be done, okay? There would be joint task force investigations. There would be arrests. There would be indictments. Anyway, the GME volume, 16,600,479. Those numbers mean absolutely nothing to me. They're still claiming 26.78% of the shares of DRS. I believe the numbers are a lot higher, but it doesn't even matter because they can just keep creating counterfeit shares every day with no real repercussions. 49.2% of that volume was shorted shares. So these guys found 8,200,000 GME shares to short into the market and manipulate the price. Yet somehow the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI don't see anything that requires that investigation. It's absolutely crazy to me. And on top of that, the short exempt, 20,624, which is just further evidence of the fraud and corruption in the play. And the days to cover went down. Now they claim they can cover all their GME short positions in 2.12 trading days. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, if retail investors, so-called dumb money, can see all the fraud and corruption, the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI can see it also. They just refuse to do anything about it. They are practicing willful blindness to all the fraud and corruption in the market because the victims of these crimes are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think they can add 8,200,000 new GME short positions, yet the days to cover goes down? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.